Think you need traditional nonstick pans to cook perfect eggs? You actually don't. The Milano coating is Ceraforce Titanium, our most advanced ceramic nonstick, which is up to 5 times more durable than our previous ceramic coatings. It's completely non-toxic, made without PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, or cadmium. Ceramic pans have a bad reputation for wearing out, but that comes from bad habits, not necessarily bad pans. 2 rules are going to help you keep this pan perfect for a long time. Just use low to medium heat and use silicone or wood tools. Just really be gentle with them. You never need high heat, and that's by design. The cold forged aluminum body spreads heat evenly with no hot spots. So medium heat gives you what other pans need high heat to do. This is the test that ceramic supposedly fails. Watch that skin start to let go. So these pans work on every stovetop, including induction. It pours clean thanks to the flared rim, and it's dishwasher safe. But honestly, you'll never need the dishwasher. Just watch. The pan you use every single day should be the one thing in your kitchen you never have to think twice about. This one was designed and made in Italy. It's non-toxic, and it just cooked eggs, steak, and salmon without breaking a sweat. If you can't remember when you bought your old nonstick pan, that's your answer. It's time. This is Milano.